In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a link in PowerPoint. Welcome everyone. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or working on a school project, knowing how to manage the links in your PowerPoint slides can be incredibly useful. Today we're focusing on removing a hyperlink from text in your presentation. It's a simple process, but one that can really clean up your slides and ensure that they communicate exactly what you intend without any unnecessary distractions. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to make sure PowerPoint is open and ready to go on your computer. If you haven't already launched it, just navigate to your program list and double click on PowerPoint to open it up. Once PowerPoint is open, the next step is to find and open the specific presentation that you're working on. If it's recent, it might appear right on the splash screen as a recent file. If not, just click on File, then Open, and search through your files to select the presentation you need. Now that you have your presentation open, you'll want to navigate to the particular slide that contains the link you wish to remove. Scroll through your slides until you find the one with the text link. Once you're there, the next step is to highlight the text that contains the hyperlink. Carefully click and drag your cursor across the text to ensure that it's all selected. This step is crucial because the link is embedded in the text itself, so you want to make sure you've got it all. With the text selected, now comes the part where we modify that text's properties. Right click on the highlighted text. This will bring up a menu with various options for modifying how your text looks and behaves. From this menu, look for the option that says Remove Link. It's typically near the middle of the menu. The moment you click Remove Link, the hyperlink will disappear, leaving your text as plain, non-interactive text. And just like that, you've removed the link from your PowerPoint presentation. If you want to double check, just click somewhere else on the slide to deselect the text. Then hover over it with your mouse to confirm there's no longer an active link. Also, remember to save your presentation after making changes to ensure your work isn't lost. You can either click the save icon at the top or hit Ctrl+S if you're on a Windows machine, or CMD+S on a Mac. I hope you found this guide helpful. Removing links can help make your presentations cleaner and ensure your information is delivered seamlessly to your audience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.